Oh, Mandy. I farted. There's a snake out here, I swear to God. Oh, yeah.
That's why I saw the snake.
Okay.
You ready?
No. I can't do it.
Oh, it's ammonia.
Is it really?
I smell it.
I was scared.
No, you gotta put it up to your nose.
Oh, God.
Where are we gonna put this? It smells like urine. Anna's urine. I told you it takes your breath away.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Is that a bat? That's a bird. Oh, my God. I'm crying. Just throw it in the trash. We'll throw it in the trash in one of the thingies.